Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to sign a document in Dochub. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and navigate to dochub.com. Once you're there, sign into your account using your credentials. This step ensures you have access to all of Dochub's document management and signing features. After successfully logging in, you'll land on Dochub's main dashboard screen. This is your central hub for managing all your documents and signatures. Now, to sign a document in Dochub, start by navigating to the left-hand menu where you'll see several options. Click on the New Document button to begin the process. This action will prompt you to add the file you wish to sign. When the upload window appears, click on Select Files. A File Explorer window will pop up on your screen, allowing you to browse through your computer's folders and files. Simply locate the document you want to sign. Click on it to select it, and then click on Open. This will upload your chosen file to Dochub's platform. Now, you'll need to wait a moment while the upload process finishes. Depending on your file size and internet connection, this might take a few seconds. Once the upload is complete, look at the bottom part of the window and click on Create Document. This will take you directly to Dochub's document editor page where all the magic happens. On the document editor page, direct your attention to the left side of your screen. Here you'll see all the tools Dochub offers for editing and signing documents. Among these tools, locate and click on Signature. Once you click this, you'll notice your cursor transforms into an insert cursor, allowing you to place your signature anywhere on the document. Click on the exact location where you wish to add your signature. After clicking, a customization panel will slide out from the right side of your screen, giving you multiple signing options. Click on Sign to proceed. You'll now see 4 different methods for signing your document, from phone, draw, upload image, or type. Each option offers flexibility depending on your preference and situation. For this tutorial, we'll use the draw option for demonstration purposes. Once you select draw, you'll see a field provided where you can create your signature. Simply drag your mouse or use your touchpad to sign directly in the field. Take your time to make it look natural and authentic. After you're satisfied with your signature, click on Save as default. This is an incredibly useful feature because it stores your signature, making it easily accessible every time you need to sign a document in the future, without having to redraw it each time. Once saved, you'll notice your signature has been applied to the document exactly where you placed it. And there you have it. You've successfully signed your document using Dochub's signature feature. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.